Over 20 years since the fall of the Berlin Wall, it's back again, at least on the screens of modern smartphones equipped with a technology known as augmented reality, or AR. Inspired by works of science fiction, this is an area now generating real attention. According to the New York-based research firm ABI, revenues from the burgeoning field are set to double annually, reaching $350 million by 2014. Martin Lenz Fitzgerald is the founder of Layer, an Amsterdam-based company that's one of the leading players in this field.
Augmented reality in itself is a technology where you literally any reality that you see around you, you augment, you enhance with digital information. What we do with Layer is that we use the phone, and in the phone there's the camera which has the input of reality. You see that on the screen, and overlaid on that we put digital information. And that is how we augment reality.
Layer is essentially a platform upon which any number of visions or layers can be built. In New York, there's a layer that shows a digital representation of the World Trade Center. In London, there's a layer for album covers and one for a rather well-known band.
Well, we're here in Piccadilly Circus in London, and while the Beatles may have been from Liverpool, there's a lot of history right around this area, and you can see it using the Beatles' magical augmented reality layer. For instance, this is 3 Savile Row, 358 meters away, home to Apple Corps.
These are still early days for augmented reality, but Lenz Fitzgerald sees a lot of exciting work being done in this realm in the not-too-distant future.
One of the main things that happened with the internet is that, for instance, it got bundled with Windows, with the Internet Explorer in the 90s. That's the same that we're doing with Samsung right now, that we're pre-installed on most Samsung Galaxies, one of the biggest selling phones of the last year. With augmented reality, we're just at that threshold where those ideas, those powerful concepts that can only exist within the new medium of augmented reality are about to be born.
So far, monetizing this vision is not yet a pressing priority, but Layer's founder says he sees a future in which brands will pay for prominence through augmented reality to give them a real-world lift. However, the key to that model will be attracting a sizable and loyal user base. Matt Cowan, Reuters.